Hey everybody, I'm Matt, and welcome to the Mr. Maple Show.
I'm Tim. Y'all know us, we're MrMaple.com. We've got a big announcement about our big open house coming up on Saturday and Monday.
Hey, Hendersonville is popular for the Apple Festival. We're turning into the Maple Festival here at Mr. Maple. That's going to be Labor Day weekend. We're going to have you 2 different days to show up. Saturday, September 3rd from 8 to 12, and Monday, September 5th from 8 to 12. The Maple Festival is on.
And this is the summer festival for Mr. Maple, the open house of 2022. So just a heads up, 2022. And we've got large sizes on a lot of our 1 gallons right now. A lot of these trees are the size people would pot up to 3 gallons.
Yeah, I want to get you guys in here and give you a chance to pick some of these up before we pot them up. It'll create a little bit less work for us if we're not putting them into 3s, but there's some easy 3-gallon sizes.
Look at this.
This is an Orangiola.
Look at this 1 gallon
almost
size.
Too big to ship. Come pick it up in person, save you a little bit on shipping, and check out our open house. Now, stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm actually going to go ahead and give away 2 of our gift card winners for the hashtag Japanese Maples Challenge.
So let me tell you a little bit about what we've done for this open house. While during the spring, we had everything closed off down below. We're still going to have that closed off, but what we've done is we brought up all the plants that were down low that you couldn't shop at before and brought them up top. So now you've got way more plants.
We've got 3 more whole greenhouses up.
Oh yeah, we've got way more greenhouses. We've got native azaleas up here. We've got evergreen azaleas. We've got so many cool plants we didn't have here at the spring festival that we've got now here during the summer festival. And 8 to 12, you can come out and shop while it's nice and cool in the greenhouses and pick out some really unique plants. Some things are future 10 at 10 items. Some things have never listed before, and there's a lot of unusual ones and twosies around, hidden gems all around the greenhouses.
I had someone say online they were coming on Saturday but not on Monday because we'll be sold out everything for Monday, which really made me laugh because just in the house we're in there's about 5,000 1 gallons. So if you guys sell us out on Saturday, I'm going on vacation the rest of the year. I don't believe that's possible. There'll be plenty of awesome things here on Monday and some really exclusive things you won't see anywhere else besides here at Mr. Maple Open House.
And I will tell you, I walk in and out of the greenhouses every day, almost every single greenhouse. And every day I walk in it, I see something that I missed the first time because there's over 5,000 plants in each greenhouse. And so you can really find some really unique things. You just got to keep your eye tuned for what's unusual and different and what speaks to you when you're walking through the greenhouses.
Now, at the top of MrMaple.com, at the time this video is airing, we have instructions for how we want you to enter. We're going to be entering through the new entrance and leaving through the old exit, or the old entrance. That's the way we want you coming in. There'll be the instructions for that at the top of MrMaple.com. So just go there. It'll give you the exact way we're going in and out. Again, we are going to do a hard cutoff at 12 o'clock. So the event's going to go from 8 to 12. We have some family reunions and things going on this weekend. And so we do have to participate in some of that. So we won't be able to go past 12 o'clock. So we hope you understand that. But we wanted to get this open for you and just get you guys out here and enjoying us, getting to hang out with me and Tim and Brian and Wesley and Jody and all of our staff here at Mr. Maple that can make it this weekend. And we're excited to see smiling faces, to see people again. You know, the more of these we're able to do, the more we're able to get closer to being open and having some open hours for you guys. But we wanted to break this out, have a summer open house. And I think cutting it off at 12 is going to be awesome for y'all too, because it's going to get you out of these greenhouses before it gets super hot during the day.
And great sizes, more plants up there than we ever had for an open house. I mean, this is our largest open house with plants that we've ever had. I think you're going to really enjoy it, and there'll be lots of fun maple people here. We've got some merchandise we'll be going and talking about here in a second that we'll be offering for the first time at this festival. And you got to come and get involved.
Hey, we're gonna have a great day here for you. I think you're gonna enjoy it. Let's tell them about the merch. Guys, we've jumped over to the podcast room to talk to you about some Mr. Maple merch and when it's gonna be available. But stay tuned to the end of the video. We're gonna be giving away 2 $25 gift cards to that Mr. Maple, that Japanese Maple hashtag challenge. We'll be announcing 2 winners at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that.
And we'll be giving away more. This is just 2 of them. But people have been contacting us for a long time saying, hey, I want a Mr. Maple t-shirt. So we've been working. We've got a bunch of different designs that Matt and Amy came up with that are just pretty awesome, pretty fun. And we're going to go through and show you some of the t-shirts and merchandise we're going to be offering for the first time at the Mr. Maple Festival.
Hey, if this goes well, we're going to be bringing you a Mr. Maple merch store. We're going to have some merchandise available online for you guys, some maple related stuff. And this is just a toe in the water. We've got a lot of ideas for where we want to go with this. And we like making maple-related content anyway, so it's right up our alley. First thing we're going to have, we're not going to have many of these, so I didn't get as many as I wanted this time. They're a little bit on back order, but I've got some hats for you. It's a classic black and white trucker hat with the MrMaple.com logo on there. If you're interested in these, come see our nieces at Open House. We'll have a special little booth for them there at Open House. They're going to be running the Mr. Maple merch booth, and we're going to have some hats as well as some really cool t-shirts. So first things first, we're going to have a trucker hat for you.
And I expect a lot of the different styles we're talking about will probably sell out at the Open House.
We'll see. We're hoping to do a soft open soon on the merch store. We're working toward that for it to be online, but this is definitely our soft rollout for that. We'll see how this goes if people are interested in it.
And we've got all different sizes. And each of these, there's a lot of different sizes. And we'll just go there.
They're a really good tee, too. Let's do these first.
Okay.
So first we've got your standard MrMaple.com tee. We've got these in a bunch of colors. These are the Comfort Tee brand. So they're really soft. They're actually a really good quality t-shirt. Like I wanted to get a t-shirt that was affordable, but I wanted to get a t-shirt that was pretty nice to wear. So these actually feel great. But I think you're going to like these. These are Comfort Colors is the brand of the t-shirt that we're printing on. And then it's got the Mr. Maple logo on the back. Now these come in a ton of colors. We've got these in black. We've got them in green. We've got them in some bright pink. You know, my wife's making sure we got bright pink going on. So we got bright pink and some lighter gray. Really nice feel to these. I think most of our t-shirts are going to be $25 at Open House. We're just going to soft roll out and see what happens. We've also got some different designs for you I think you're going to like. Being a dad of two girls, we've got the Farm Girl t-shirt. My wife wanted these for my daughters, I think, more than anything. So we're going to have some smaller kid sizes in the girl shirt for this one. It says Farm Girl, Mr. Maple. Of course, you'll probably see Carolina and Tinsley wearing these at Open House. I think my son Hicks is probably in a onesie still. But you'll see my girls wearing some of these at Open House.
So next up, we've got the one in the back that says Crew, and on the front it says Mr. Maple Crew.
Yeah, we make these for our staff, but we wanted to get a couple of them out for just our homies. So a lot of people are rolling with Mr. Maple. You can have your official Mr. Maple Crew t-shirt here and join the team, at least in t-shirt, if nothing else.
I love the...
Not everybody's going to do a full Brian rule and come join the actual crew, so you can get the t-shirt. Brian can get one and say, I did it, and I got the t-shirt, right?
I love that baby blue. So
so this one's going to be popular. I think it's kind of funny. We've got the first of the t-shirt here. Got the classic black Mr. Maple logo on there. And this is for all the husbands and wives that get recruited to come along to Mr. Maple. It says, I'm just here to help carry plants. So I think that one's going to be popular. This is going to be a great t-shirt searching shirt for your significant other to wear while they're helping you carry plants. So
I love it. I love it. And then next up, we've got on the front here, it says Plant Mama. And on the back, it says Plant Mama, MrMaple.com.
So just some fun ideas.
I know we got a lot of Plant Mamas out there.
Right. My mom already wants that one. We're going to be getting her one. Her birthday is coming up this weekend too, so I know I already got to save one of those. Let's go ahead and do this one as well.
All right.
This is a classic soft tee. We had these printed. It's kind of a faded logo, so it kind of already looks a little faded, and then it's got the big leaf on the back with the .com down there. And again, tons of different sizes in each of these. I believe we also, I don't think I have it here on the table, but I also have a Plant Crew t-shirt. It's black, says Plant Crew.
Nice.
So we'll have that one for you to get for your whole homie staff of who all goes out plant searching for it with you.
And I think this one's going to be real popular.
Yeah, I like this one. This one's kind of funny. My wife has the t-shirt with a team on it, and so it's a little bit of a play on that. We've got Magic Moon, Hot Blonde, Dragon Master, Red Panda, and Firefly, so it's a good starting five right there.
Starting five from the Area 51 collection.
The best comment I had when I posted this to our Mr. Maple page was somebody wrote below it, that sounds like a team that's going to team up and fight a bigger monster. That sounds like a movie I'd watch. Well, hey guys, we hope you're liking this. This is just a little bit of our merch we're doing. We're going to be opening a store with some of the I Dig Japanese Maples, I Heart Japanese Maple shirts, all kinds of different Mr. Maple merch. We may even have some contests to design some t-shirts coming up at the end of the year. So we've got some fun stuff for you there for t-shirts coming out. And a lot of the stuff's going to be available online as we get more time to get some of these things to you. But I hope you enjoy that. It's going to be first available at our open house. Again, that'll be September 3rd and 5th, 8 to 12 of 2022. So September 3rd and 5th will be the first chance to grab some of these. So yeah, if you're a Mr. Maple fan, we appreciate your support. Definitely, we enjoy you guys rocking some of our tees too.
And so we went through and randomized our numbers to give away our gift cards. And
yeah, so we've been doing this hashtag Japanese Maples under any of our videos. I put it way far out there. So we've been growing like crazy, but I realized I might have made it a really long reach. So we're still going to give away 5 gift cards. We wanted to speed that up and give some out. So we want to give some gift cards out to you guys. You can continue to put hashtag Japanese Maples in the comments to be entered to win. So we're just going to give out 2 of the 5. We're about halfway there to our overall goal. We're still going to give out 3 more $25 gift cards. Now, if your name is called out here and you see it on screen, contact Jody. That's how you get signed up. We want to verify it's you. We have a whole way of making sure that it's actually you. So contact us if this is actually you and let us know, and we'll get a $25 gift card out to you. And you have to be in the United States to win those.
And so what we do is we go through and assign a number to every single one of our videos. And then we randomize it. So you've got just as equal of a chance to win it on a new video as you do for an old video. Mm-hmm. So some of the people went through there. One of the ones that won it this time was an old video on Kihachijo.
Yeah.
And it's Zero Ibis?
Maybe. We'll put it right here. So check that out. I'll have Brian throw it in here. If this is your YouTube handle, please contact Jody. We've got a $25 gift card for you. She'll need a few things to verify it to you, and then we'll have your gift card right over to you through email. And we appreciate your support here on the channel. You can continue to win these. This contest isn't over. Just put hashtag Japanese Maples in the comment section. And as always, like, subscribe, and share. You have to be subbed to the channel to win as well.
And contact Jody at MrMaple Questions. That's MrMaple Questions with an S at gmail.com. And then we randomize the numbers again. And then we randomize the number of people that have actually put hashtag Japanese Maples.
Right. It's already a lot. So we really appreciate that. But we're going to keep it going.
And the next video popped up was Oregon Sunset, one of our recent videos.
Nice, nice.
And Alejandro Ortega, you're the next winner of the
$25 gift card. Yeah. So yeah, contact Jody, MrMapleQuestions at gmail. That's the best way to do that. We'll check out, make sure we've got your contact information, and have you send over a gift card right away. You can continue to compete in this one, guys. If you want a Mr. Maple gift card, just put hashtag Japanese Maples below our videos. Like, subscribe, and share our videos. That's a great way to do it as well. As we get into our merch store, we'll definitely be giving away some merch on our channel, so you can stay tuned for upcoming giveaways. We're going to be doing all kinds of stuff there. And let us know your ideas for fun t-shirts for Japanese Maples too. As we're looking for cool ideas, we love to hear from you guys because we want to make the best stuff. So let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll be implementing a little bit of that as well.
And make sure you come out to our open house. It's always fun. We've got large plant sizes right now. We've got more plants up here than we've ever had for an open house. And it's always fun to see everybody and talk to everybody about Japanese maples.
Now, this open house is going to be all about the plants. We've got some amazing sizes. We're going to be open 8 to 12 each day. Again, a hard cutoff at 12. One of the reasons we're doing that is to get everybody out of the greenhouses before the peak heat of the day. I think it'll be a funner time if you're here and it's nice and cool in the mornings. Come enjoy that, then go out and check out the Apple Festival. The Apple Festival is going on here in town. So you can either partake in all that craziness or avoid it completely and come out and check out the Mr. Maple Show. We're going to be doing a ton of different cool things here at the nursery. Again, this open house is going to be all about the plants. So we're going to have 8 to 12 open hours here. We're going to have a full staff here to help you find plants and some amazing sizes. Now, definitely, I'd like to reiterate, check out our website for instructions. It'll have the correct entrance and the right route to get in there, as well as the address. So definitely go to the Mr. Maple website. We'll have that up during the festival so you can get directions and come in and park and make it as easy as possible for you.
So we've got all this stuff going on with the open house, and we've got a lot to get ready for. And so because of that, on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we're going to take a pause away from the limited release sale, and I'm hoping to start that back up on Tuesday after we start to get everything back in regular working order.
Maybe you guys buy us out and we don't have anything left. I don't know. We'll see. I highly doubt that. I laughed when people said, I'm going to come Saturday because they're going to be sold out on Monday. I'm like, you have no idea what we're sitting on here. And there's a lot of plants.
I don't think we're quite close to being finished with the limited release sale, but we're going to put a pause on it because it takes a lot of work. I mean, we're talking 12 items that I have to post every single day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Right. There's been already over 100 items list. And that multiples each of those. So it takes a lot of work. I hope you guys are enjoying that thing. And hey, we really appreciate you tuning into the Mr. Maple Show. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to this channel. We do giveaways. We're going to do more gift card giveaways. We're always thinking of creative ways to give back to you guys for subscribing to this channel. And we'll definitely be giving away more hats and t-shirts and things like that as we get more things printed. So let us know in the comments below what kind of t-shirts you'd like to see on upcoming Mr. Maple prints. I'm really keen on possibly doing a t-shirt contest, maybe around New Year's or something. We'll see. I've got some ideas for some things like that, but we really want to interact with you guys and make some fun merch for the channel. And I think it'll be really fun anyway. I mean, I'm always going to be rocking MrMaple gear, so I think it's fun if I'm able to make more and interesting shirts. I really liked the team tee, but I really like just getting a little bit more outside the box with it.
That's for sure. Well, we appreciate you watching this video. Share this with your friends. See you at open house.
Take care.
God bless.
And have a great day.